Christian, what are you doing?
No offense there, Peter. Speak for yourself there, sport.
Getting down off of the horsey? Peekaboo! Where's the baby?
You better snap out of it and get your shit together. You're gonna get
Where's the baby?
Yeah.
Peekaboo!
That virus you're always talking about, right? The one that could
Where's the baby?
for much and plenty. Yeah.
Oh, where's he going?
Well, how does it work?
Peekaboo! Where's the baby? Peekaboo! Oh, what'd you find? What is it? Is that a book? That's your Bible. You're smashing it. Oh, that's the wrong way. Here. Here. Try like that. There you go. Can you read a story? Are you reading a book? Oh. Oh, am I supposed to read you a book? Okay. Let's see. God opened the Red Sea in the middle. His people walked through it, the big and the little. The ground was dry, no need for puddles. Everyone hurried, no time for huddles. Oh, you're done with that one now. What else are you doing?